everybody, my name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the choreography that I made to the song called Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. So this is my sexy dance choreography. If you want to see my hip-hop version of this song, I will post here or here. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So for this one, you're gonna need to move back because you're going to walk forward. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, walk right, left, right, and close. All right. Okay. From here, you're gonna open in 1, cross 2, then go 3, 4, 5, 6. Then walk to the front like you're wearing high heels. 7 and 8. All right, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Open on 1 and 2. Watch my hips to your right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, from here, you're gonna go point to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then walk to the back. 5, 6. Raise your knee. 7. And drop on 8. One more time. 6, 7. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Next. You just close 1, 2, then you just use your shoulder and straight your arm. You're gonna go 3, 4. So your weight is on your left. All right. Again. So 7, 8. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this one, you're gonna go look up. 5, 6, 7, and punch 8. Let's try faster. So 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, you're gonna step front and away. 1, 2, 3, raise on 4. Turn around again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That was easy. Let's try 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, step to your right. 1, hug yourself, kneel down. 2, then punch your right. 3, and flip your hair. 4. One more time. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Lift 6 and away. 7, 8. This is 1, 2. One more time. 7 and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Lift 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Next, this is 3, 4. Then for this one, you're gonna turn 5, 6. Then pose 7 and 8. Any pose you like. Let's try. So let's pick up from this to the last pose. Okay, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pose. Close. 7, 8. And for the last one, this is the easiest one. You just walk, going to your right, slowly. 1, 2, 3, faster. 5, 6, and 7. Low on 8. Try again that one. 5, 6, 7. Pose and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Faster. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Now let's try everything. All of it from the beginning. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Lift and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Turn. 4, 5, 6, 7. Walk. 1, 2, 3. Faster. And down. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see the hip-hop version of the choreography that I made in this song, I'll post some maybe here or there. So thank you again, and see you soon.